Hello everyone, I am from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. I would like to give a seminar regarding the concept video. Department of Information Technology. My subject is chemistry. Subject code is AHSC06 and my selected topic is global warming. I am R. Govardhan. Global warming. Earth is burning. You see the diagrams of global warming. What is global warming? The increase in the total temperature of the earth is called global warming. The temperature of our earth increases by a few decimals every year. The process of increasing temperature is called global warming. From 1880 to 1980, there has been an increase in the overall temperature of the earth. However, after 1980, the rate of increase in temperature has doubled. According to the data, after every 10 years, there has been an increase in the temperature of the earth by 0.07 Celsius degrees. If you see 0.0, it is very less, but as we compare years and years, it increases. Evidence of global warming. What is evidence? The results from hundreds of experiments conducted on the surface of the earth show that the climate here has completely changed. It is clear from the continuous information from satellites that move around the earth that carbon dioxide has increased in the last few years. The disappearing ice from Greenland and Antarctica is another proof that global warming is in effect. Causes of global warming: greenhouse gases, transportations, agriculture, deforestation, fertilizers and pesticides, natural gas drilling, volcano eruptions. Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases form a cover around the earth which traps the heat out of the earth. Carbon dioxide is the primary source of greenhouse gases. Apart from this, water vapor, methane, nitrogen dioxide and chlorofluorocarbons and also greenhouse are also greenhouse gases. According to July 2021, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 10.6 parts per million. From 1980 to 2021, there has been an increase of 20% in carbon dioxide. Transportations. The burning of fossil fuels release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. According to the 2019 reports, 29% of the carbon dioxide production is done by transport. The number of transport is increasing every year. Agriculture. The land is being prepared for agriculture by cutting down forest. On average, 12.4 million acres of forest land is diverted from agriculture every year. Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting off lands. Deforestation is also a significant contributor to climate change and global warming. According to 2019 data, deforestation increased greenhouse gases by 11%. Fertilizers and pesticides. There is an increase in nitrous oxide where farmers use synthesized fertilizers. Nitrous oxide is a greenhouse gas. That is, the chemical fertilizers in the nitrogen is used renders greenhouse gases. Natural gas drilling. Methane gas leaks from natural gas drilling and pipelines, resulting in the production of carbon dioxide. From 1900 to 2000, there has been an 86% increase in methane emissions. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanoes mainly emit sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide causes atmospheric cooling, while carbon dioxide is a greenhouse effect. Effects of global warming. The average temperature of the earth, changes in weather, sea level rise, impact on wild species. The average temperature of the earth. According to NOAA annual report in 2020, sea and land temperatures rise by 0.13 degrees Fahrenheit or 0.08 degrees Celsius every 10 years. However, after 1981, this average has doubled. Here, now we are facing many problems on summer. We are getting 40-50 Celsius degrees in the summer. It's too hot because of global warming. And before 10-20 years, they have only 35 to 40 in summer, but we have 50 degrees temperature in some places due to global warming. Changes in weather. Problems like heat, drought, storms have increased. The most significant effect of global warming on the weather was that the time intervals of the seasons have changed. In olden days, we have specified seasons for specified months. 3 months one season is like that is there. But nowadays, there is no any season. All time we are facing many hot, temperature is too hot, and in summer, some places sometimes rain was coming. In rainy season, sometimes rain was not come and temperature is too hot. So we did not have season intervals due to global warming. Sea level rise. Due to global warming, the ice from the poles melts and goes into the ocean. The water level of the ocean has risen by 8 inches since 1880. Due to high temperature, the ice from Antarctica, North Atlantic, cool places, the ice is also melting, and that ice come to oceans. Due to that, the water level of the oceans has increased by 8 inches, and some islands are disappearing due to sea level rise. Many places are covered by the water due to sea level rise, effect of global warming. Impact on wild species. Biodiversity has declined drastically due to global warming. Global warming has affected the lives of more than 25,000 species. One third of these are in danger of extinction. So many species are disappearing due to global warming. They are not able to survive in this climate. Solution of global warming. These are some solution of global warming. Promote recycling, reduce fossil fuel use, increasing the number of green trees, using renewable sources of energy, reduce hot water usage, spread awareness among people, ultraviolet paint. We have to recycle the products which are used by plastic and other material. We are destroying it by one time. We have to change and recycle the products, and we again use it. Nowadays, for a small distance, we are using bikes, motor vehicles, cars. For a small distance, when we use bicycles or when we walk by walk, we can reduce usage of carbon dioxide. So global warming also decrease. This one is best to do. We have to increase the number of trees in the world, because the only solution to decrease the global warming is plants. Trees take CO2 and release O2. So this is the only solution, natural solution to decrease. So we have to plant as much as trees in our surroundings. Use renewable source of energy. That means we have to use solar energy, wind energy, tidal like energy. We do not depend on artificial energy like coal, petrol, gas. Reduce hot water usage. We are using hot water daily, and we are using hot water in summer also. If you reduce hot water, we also reduce usage of carbon dioxide by greases like that materials. And when we use wood to burn, CO2 also release. Many people did not know about global warming, effects of global warming, and solution of global warming. We are the student to spread awareness among the people, to tell about global warming and spread awareness about it to reduce global warming. White means reflect. Ultra white paint reflect 99% of the sun rays compared to other paints. So we use white paint to reduce effect. Global warming. Move your hand for planet, because planet is destroying by us. This is the slogan. Save Earth, because there is no planet B. Move your hand for planet, because another in Earth, in our solar system, Earth is the only planet to live. So there is no alternative. We have to protect our Earth and reduce global warming. Thank you.